Hello?
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 Hi.
Sorry.
Hi. Sorry. Who are you?
Sink.
Of course you are. Of course you are. Rob's not here though, is he?
No, he's down the shop.
He's down the shop. He's supposed to be at work thing. I'm his girlfriend. I'm sorry, I wasn't.
How you getting on, mate? You alright?
Yeah, fire thanks.
Okay, I don't know what to do.
Alright, mate.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm
Please
alright.
don't tell him you saw me.
No, I'm just, I'll be down in a bit.
Hiding. You're going mad. No, it's not my knee. It's not the first time. Please help me out. Can you hand me your tape? Hand me your tape. Take this. Get down. Thank you. Could you take this over? Tape over the front. Put this one. Thank you.
No, I'll jump in a cab. I'll do it in a cab. It's fine. I'll be over there. Well, it's only South East London, isn't it?
Nothing to do with me, all right?
No, it's fine.
Told me
It's
to do
fine.
that.
All right, no. I'll see you in a bit. See you in a bit. Bye. How we getting on, mate?
Yeah, fine.
We
thanks.
good?
Scott, yeah, no problems. Just,
Good. Has anyone been here?
No. Well,
No.
Not to my knowledge, no. No.
Is that yours?
No, that's mine then.
Whose is that then? That's not my... Has my missus been back?
No, I haven't heard anything.
No.
Not downstairs.
It's alright, it's just her jacket's here. So I saw her get on the bus with us this morning.
I don't know, mate.
Definitely weren't in it. She hasn't been back, she's not said hello.
No. She might have popped back, dropped it off.
Oh, did she pop back?
No, this morning I mean.
I better check in with her anyway. What's that? You said she hadn't been back, mate.
I haven't seen I haven't seen or heard anybody. I've just been getting on with this.
Yeah?
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, she's left her phone. She's left her phone. Yeah, can you get that for me? She's so clumsy. Cheers, mate. I'll go stick that on charge for you.
Yeah. All right, mate.
And, all right, mate. I'll go stick this on charge. 10 minutes, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.